Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's BassPlay12. Today's video, I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. I'm going to do Ed Sheeran's Perfect. It's the acoustic version. I kind of chose that just because it's a lot more simplified than the actual version. But what I want to do is give you the on-screen notes. And I'm actually going to go over some notes with you right now, just to show you. I don't know if you guys watched the video, I forgot how many months ago it was, but I showed you that you can learn a lot of songs if you just see the notes in a geometric pattern. So Ed Sheeran's Perfect is actually, a lot of it is in a triangular shape. So let me show you right now. So the verse, hope you can read that. The verse is just a G, E, C, D, and there's the triangle there for you. So it starts here with the G, goes to the E, then to the C, and then to the D. And there's 4 parts to that verse, and you would do this pattern 3 times. You would actually do it the 1st, 2nd, and 4th time. And don't worry, when I do the song, I'll actually put these chords or notes on the screen for you. Now you're wondering, hey, what about the 3rd time? So let me bust this out for you. That 3rd time in the verse, he actually goes from the G to the E to the C, back up to the G, and then to the D. So it's not that big of a variance. He just puts in the G before he goes to the D. So that's basically it. And then the chorus is super easy. He just goes from E to C, up to G, and then down to D. So it's one of those things where, again, you can, if you see the pattern, it's kind of like this triangular pattern that the notes follow. So I'm not going to do anything fancy. I just want to give you guys the basic notes of this song, and I really like this song. I know that you guys like it too. So here we go. Ed Sheeran's Perfect, the acoustic version.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. zone when I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect, though I don't deserve